Hey everyone, it's Chandler and welcome back to another episode of Damaged Darts. Today I'll be showcasing my Nerf Destiny inspired Hunter Hammershot. You guys may have noticed this Destiny ghost photobombing us in our previous episode. Well, he's actually going to be our new co-host for our upcoming Destiny projects. However, he does not have a name yet, so that's when you come in. If you guys have a suggestion for a name, leave that in the comments below. Let's do this. For this mod, I thought the Hammershot would be a perfect choice for the Destiny hand cannon that the hunters usually use. This mod was not based off of any specific hand cannon in the game. I just decided to use my own colors of red, gray, and black, because that's what I had in the spray paints, and I thought it would look really cool on this gun. So for the externals, I did sand down all of the labels and everything. I made sure to sand down the whole entire surface so the paint would stick better. I started off with a gray coat primer, and these parts right here that are gray, that is the primer that I used. So after I was done priming, I taped those pieces off that I wanted to keep gray. Then I painted over the red and then the black. But before the red was completely dried, I actually took my fingernail and I scraped back a couple spots so the gray would show through underneath. And I also used some rub and buff for the weathering as well. And of course we used our acrylic weathering. And if you guys are not familiar with that, we use the brown and black acrylic. We water it down in a little container, use a paintbrush, just brush it over the surface, and then wait a couple seconds, then wipe it off with a paper towel, and leave however much grunge we want on the gun. So for the internals, you can probably see I used the Orange ModWorks Hammershot Kit, and we'll leave a link in the description for that. I don't know if Orange ModWorks sells that anymore on their website, but I'm pretty sure Amazon or some other places have that, so you can probably find it. So I used that kit to modify the internals, and that really bumped it up probably 2 or 3 times. It shoots a lot harder and it functions a lot smoother. The hammer back here is a lot better than the previous one, and the trigger moves really well. And I also like the cool barrel right there, the black and then the silver. I kept that as is. I did not paint it at all because I thought it would look perfect. So that's pretty much all I did for this gun. So let's take it out into the hallway and give you a test fire. Alright, here's the test fire of the hand cannon. I've got red little Valentines loaded up in here, and I'll leave a link in the description for those if you guys want to buy any of those. So here it goes. Yeah, this one shoots really nice here. Nice and straight, doesn't have any issues with flubs. And if you guys want to do it, you can slam fire, so you can hold down the trigger and just slam the hammer on top there. So there's the test fire. Hope you guys enjoyed this showcasing of my Nerf Destiny inspired Hunter Hammershot. Remember, this guy needs a name, so if you have a suggestion for a name, please leave that in the comments below. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel already, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Damaged Darts signing off.